Hi YouTube, it's the girl. Hi YouTube, it's your girl Divine J back with another video. I can't believe last video I forgot to introduce myself. As you can see by the title, we will be washing pots. I wanted to try the baking soda and vinegar kitchen hack because I was just tired of the pots that I have. Now, I will say if you are purchasing pots for the first time, don't get try to be cute and get color pots. My aunt did tell me to get stainless steel pots, but I was just trying to be cute, so I ended up just getting the yellow pots. It just looked good, so I wouldn't do that. I would just stick with the stainless steel because they do last longer. Before we get into the video, being that the video is kind of short because we're just washing dishes, I wanted to discuss what this channel consists of, what videos will be posted, what things we have in store. If you have not seen the last video, it will be down below. It's called Where Have I Been? It did discuss a little bit of what this channel will be about, but I don't feel like I went in depth. So being that I am married now, I do have a little bit more responsibility, cook, cleaning, but I do really enjoy cooking and stuff. So I do want to make videos of me cooking. I am not a chef, so if you don't like something that I do, keep that to yourself. But if it's something that I'm making wrong or something that I should add to a dish, please comment below, because I really try to get into different type of foods. I am more of an international eater. I like mussels, seafood, mussels, Haitian food, Jamaican food, Peruvian food. I like all types of food, and I want to learn how to make everything. So if it's something that I am not necessarily doing correct, or you can give me some feedback or some tips on how to do something differently, please comment that down below once we do get into those videos. Also for the beauty videos as well, I really want to interact with you guys, so if there is something that you want to comment, please feel free to leave comments. Alright, now let's get into the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this works for you as it did for me. And don't forget to check out my last video, Where Have I Been, in my bio below.
Alright, so let's get started. First, you're going to need your baking soda and vinegar, and you're just going to put that all over the pots. I use this one, Arm & Hammer and Pear Baking Soda. And when you put it over the pots, just make sure that you put a nice amount over the spots that you want off. I feel like I didn't put enough. I feel like I could have put a little more. After you put the baking soda all over the pots, you're going to get your vinegar. I think this one is from Walmart. Yeah, this one's from Walmart. You can really get vinegar anywhere. So what you want to do now is take your vinegar and pour it over your pot slowly. It's going to make this sound right here, but that's normal. And you want to just do it slow. I just feel like it works better than you just pouring it over. I ended up getting a little bit more baking soda and putting it over the pot and letting it sit for 15 minutes. I just wanted, being that I put the vinegar on there and it kind of wiped it off, I just wanted something on there while it sat. While you're letting it sit, if this is your cleanup day, you can go clean the bathroom and come back and just wash out the dish. Just set a timer in your phone for 15 minutes. You can leave it on longer than 15 minutes if you want. And then you come wash it out. So this is me washing the pots. Now, you really have to scrub still. You really want to use super hot water So anything you clean with, you want to use super hot water. But you really have to scrub too. So even though the baking powder and the vinegar, I keep saying baking powder for some reason. Baking soda and vinegar, it really did work, because if I was just regularly washing my dish with just the soap, it would literally not come off. So I used dishwashing soap to wash it off. And I don't know if you're supposed to use bleach. But I just used it for the bottom of the pot. And it really helped a lot. So you just want to take this time and really scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Because you still have to put in some elbow work. It's just not going to come off right here. Yeah. So I use the Clorox bleach, and then I just put it on the back of the pot. And that helped a lot. So after I have scrubbed, I moved on to my next pot. And here you see the Clorox bleach. It is the one for the bathroom. I wouldn't recommend you put it inside the pot, but being that it's the bottom of the pot, I just used it because it was so hard to scrub. It wasn't that it was hard, it was just that it just took a little elbow work for it to actually come off. So I just took the soap you wash your dishes with. It really doesn't matter which soap you use. And use the scrubber, not the sponge. And you just really want to just scrub the bottom of the pot. I'm going to just speed the video up some, because you're going to just continue the same thing until you are done with all your dishes. I had a few pots to wash. I think I had 4 or 5. I had this little pot. I use this to make like eggs or something quick. If you like these pots and you're interested in purchasing these pots, they are on Amazon. But get your stainless steel as well. If you can't afford both, get the stainless steel. Okay, so you want to make sure you are getting the side of the pots, because some pots can be super big and it can be hard to see like the side. So you want to really make sure you're getting everything off. After you have scrubbed the pots and double check to make sure you have everything off, they should look like this. I hope you guys got the same results as I did. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to leave your comments. Follow me on Instagram at DivineJ_, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications.